How to download playlist on Amazon Music. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can download a playlist on Amazon Music. In order to download playlist on Amazon Music for offline listening, here's how you can do it. First of all, you need to log in. So for that, open up your application and maybe log in from your web browser. In my case, I'm doing it from the web browser. Either way, the procedure will remain the same. After you're logged into your Amazon account that has active Amazon Music subscription, now you'll need to use the search bar feature, which is right on top, and type in the song. After that, look for the song, tap on the three dot icon and then click on the download button, and this is going to download the music. After the music has been downloaded, the app will start downloading the playlist. So find the playlist that you want to download and tap on the open button. So after you've added the music to your playlist, after that what you need to do is you need to locate the playlist that you wish to download it. Now you should see an option to download the playlist, tap on it. Now the app will start downloading the playlist. Time it takes to download will depend on the size of the playlist and your internet connection speed. To access the downloaded playlist, go to My Music or Library section of the app. Look for the downloaded or offline music section. Your downloaded playlist will be listed there. Now you can listen to the downloaded playlist even when you're offline without using your mobile data. In this way, you can download your playlist on Amazon Music. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.